with that lps-kittyzz. Some random girl wants to talk crap about us JBC. She's jealous. Disclaimer, don't try to harass them nor try to contact them. This is only for entertainment purposes.
Disclaimer. This is a repost, so look at soulz, not me.
Speed up, 3.
If this box comes up to me one more time, I'm going to crash the TF out.
Bach.
Lag core.
I clearly didn't stand a chance since my stam was out. We decided to restart the run.